screen opens like that. All right, let's get started. We're going to be solving trigonometric equations today. So let's get started with example number 1. You may notice a circle in the top right-hand corner. This is a little device that I use to help me solve trigonometric equations effectively. So I am going to take a look at our first question. We're going to be solving for theta. So we're going to be solving for an angle, and that angle that we solve for, theta, has to be between 0 and 360. So going on the circle is, I have to start at 0, and any angle between 0 and 360, which is one revolution of a circle, that's what I'm looking for. So let us solve where cosine theta is equal to negative 0.53. So very quickly, I'm going to take a look and ask myself, well, where is cosine negative? Cosine is negative in quadrants number 2 and 3. And the reason why I know that is, remember that cosine is positive wherever x is positive. Cosine is negative wherever x is negative. X is negative in quadrant 2 and 3. So now I'm going to use my calculator and my wits and figure this out. Let's get started. First order of business is I'm going to apply the inverse cosine operation to both sides. Last year, you used this to find an angle in a triangle. The result from our calculator leads to theta is equal to 122.5204 degrees. Now notice that I've labeled this as theta 2. My calculator just gave me 122 degrees, and I know that's in my quadrant 2. So I already have one solution. So 122 has a cosine of, or approximately 122 degrees has a cosine of about negative 0.537. So I ask myself, what is the quadrant 3 angle? Well, that's a fairly difficult question. I have to go back to my related angles and I ask, how far away is 122.5204 degrees away from the x-axis, to the closest x-axis? Really, I'm asking the related angle in quadrant 1, or alpha. So how far away am I from the closest x-axis? Well, I'm 57.5204 degrees away from the x-axis. So from here to here is 57.52 degrees. Now, how can I get that quadrant 3 angle? Well, remember that this is 180 plus that quantity. So really, my quadrant 3 related angle is 180 plus 57.5204, which leads me to the result that theta 3, my quadrant 3 angle, is 237.5204 degrees. And for a final answer, I'm going to round these two results to 3 decimal places. Therefore, solutions at theta is equal to 122.520 degrees and 237.520 degrees. It matches the result of my picture having a quadrant 2 and quadrant 3 angle. Please note that I did omit, I have made a mistake. There should be a degrees mark right there. Let me just do it. Otherwise, I'm losing marks. Oh, that's a bad degree sign. Oh, that's even uglier. There it is. Anyways, at least I'm not losing marks now.